Hello, and welcome to New World Developments and ACE Fixings. You are about to participate in the quality induction. I would be grateful if you could pay attention to this presentation. Please turn your mobile phones to silent. Imagine a world where every product and service exceeds expectations. Quality management isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of brand reputation and risk mitigation. Let's explore how it boosts efficiency and growth. Quality management isn't limited to the products we make. It encompasses every process, task, and decision. By incorporating quality in everything we do, we will not only enhance our brand and reputation, but also protect it against risks, increase efficiency, boost profits and growth, all while exceeding customer expectations and boosting staff morale. What does quality apply to? Everything, every product, service, process, task, action, or decision in our organization can be judged in terms of quality. How good is it? Is it good enough? How can we make it better? Who is responsible for quality? Every member of staff, different people will have a responsibility or influence over different things that affect quality, such as specifying requirements, meeting those requirements, or determining the quality of something. Quality isn't just a department's responsibility, it's everyone's job. Each team member plays a crucial role in maintaining standards. You can make a difference. By understanding how individual roles impact overall quality, we can foster a culture where excellence is the norm. Encouraging this mindset across the organization is key to our sustained success. The importance of us all adhering to standard operating procedures and safe working practices in achieving a high level of quality cannot be overstated. Here's why. Consistency and reliability. Standard practices ensure uniformity in how tasks are performed, reducing variability and maintaining consistency in the quality of output. This builds trust with our clients or stakeholders. Efficiency and productivity. Following established procedures minimizes errors and streamlines operations, allowing staff to work more efficiently while maintaining high standards. Compliance and risk reduction. Standardized practices help ensure compliance with regulations, industry standards, and safety protocols, reducing the risk of violations and accidents. Continuous improvement. Standard operating procedures provide a baseline for performance, making it easier to identify areas for improvement and implement changes systematically. Team collaboration. When everyone follows the same guidelines, collaboration becomes smoother as team members have a shared understanding of processes and expectations. Customer satisfaction. High quality outputs lead to satisfied customers, reinforcing loyalty and enhancing the reputation of our business. Ensuring staff are trained, motivated, and committed to these practices is key to reaping these benefits. Ultimately, quality standards act as a roadmap for maintaining excellence and accountability. They aren't just about meeting the minimum requirements, they're about striving for improvement and creating value for everyone involved. At New World Developments, we have a quality management system certified to ISO 9001-2015. This is a structured framework designed to ensure that our processes consistently produce high-quality products that meet customer and regulatory requirements. Here's what it's typically made up of. A quality policy, a clear and concise statement outlining our organization's commitment to quality, its objectives, and how it plans to achieve them. Our quality policy is published and displayed on all company notice boards. You can also request a copy of the policy from the compliance team. Please take time to read the organization's quality policy, processes and procedures, detailed workflows and documented procedures that define how tasks should be performed to maintain consistency and quality. There are different procedural and process documents used in production compared to operations. Ensure you are familiar and competent in the procedural and process documents related to the tasks you are carrying out. If you are unsure, please speak to your line manager. Roles and responsibilities. We have an organizational chart for all areas showing clear definitions of roles and accountability, ensuring that every team member understands their part in the quality process. Customer focus. There are mechanisms in place to gather feedback to drive improvements to ensure we meet customer expectations. Risk management. Processes to identify, assess, and mitigate risks that could impact quality. Continuous improvement, a commitment to regularly reviewing and improving processes. Training and competence, ensuring staff are adequately trained and competent to perform their duties effectively. Internal audits, routine checks to verify that the quality management system is functioning as intended and complies with standards. Document control, proper management of documents to ensure they're up to date, accessible, and protected. Performance monitoring, regular measurement and analysis of key performance indicators, KPIs, to track progress and identify areas for improvement. In the production area, on the notice boards, there are compliance posters. On the compliance poster are QR codes for different documents used to inform operators on how to complete specific tasks or to make them aware of the risks assessments and safe working practices for their relevant areas. You will be taken through these documents during your initial training. It is advised you refresh yourself regularly with the information on the compliance posters to ensure you carry out your tasks safely and to the desired standards. For staff working in operations during your initial training, you will be taken through the process and procedural documents for the tasks you will be carrying out. If at any point you would like to refresh yourself with this information, you can request this from your line manager. With regards to the cost of poor quality, the visible and invisible costs of poor quality can be seen in the iceberg model. A limited portion of costs can be noticed, while the rest are hidden under the water. In most cases, only visible costs are taken into account when poor quality is evaluated. However, invisible costs can be as high as 3 to 10 times in comparison to the visible costs. These hidden costs include loss of goodwill, missing opportunities to increase profits, loss of capacity spent on producing defective products, as well as the resultant delay of such situations. Poor quality planning costs, extra procurement, costs of redesigning products, as well as changing processes, costs of downtime of system. It is estimated that around 20% of an organization's direct costs are the result of poor quality. It is crucial we focus on completing our tasks right first time. Quality is free if we do things right first time. We won't have to incur the costs for rework or scrapping material and remaking products, or any of the costs seen in the iceberg model. The cost of fixing an issue externally is generally 10 times the cost of fixing internally. £100 quickly can become £1,000. We currently estimate the cost of poor quality to be around 400k. It is a key objective of the business to reduce this as quickly as possible. Key to this is you. We all have to make sure we are carrying out our tasks as per procedure. We must also question ourselves and each other. Is the work completed good enough? Can it be better? What can be done to improve it? Only then can we create a culture of excellence. How can we monitor and improve the quality of the build? In order for us to guarantee the quality of our products, we need to review and measure the quality during the different stages of the build. How do we do that? Complete internal quality questions at each cell to ensure units are good before moving on. Each operator at each cell has a set of quality questions to be completed before moving the product on to the next stage. Monitor right first time fabrication of units per stage to gain ARFT%. Each stage must be open in declaring if the unit in question required rework before progressing to the next stage. There is nothing to worry about when declaring a mistake has occurred and rework is required. It's better to fix the issue at source rather than move on to the next stage. This will provide the data to see which stages require support on improving. I will now go into the process for completing the inline quality questions for the factory-based staff. Step 1, log in as normal to CT and select the job list. Step 2. Select the job number you are going to work on. Step 3. Print out the job card. Step 4. Complete the open job. Step 5. The internal quality questions will appear. Select yes or no for each question. There are 4 options once the questions have been completed: pass, fix online, right first time, and fail or reject job. If all are ticked yes, so you would then select pass or right first time. If you select no to a question and the job can be reworked, carry out the fix and then select fix online. If you select no and the job cannot be reworked, then you would select fail, reject job. Once the job has been rejected, you will have to select the reject code from the reject screen. Then add the details in the comments section. Once completed, click Save and Yes to save this record. New World developments and ACE fixings see continuous improvement in manufacturing as crucial for maintaining competitiveness, enhancing efficiency, and ensuring long-term success. It embodies a commitment to consistently refining processes, products, and services. Here are some key benefits. Boosting efficiency by identifying and eliminating waste, bottlenecks, and redundancies. Manufacturing processes become faster and more cost-effective. Quality enhancement. Continuous improvement emphasizes detecting and addressing defects or inconsistencies, leading to higher quality products. Cost reduction. Streamlining operations and minimizing errors reduce costs in production and resource usage. Customer satisfaction. Improved quality and consistency in products translate to better customer experiences and loyalty. Adaptability. In an ever-changing market, continuous improvement fosters innovation and helps manufacturers stay ahead of technological advancements and consumer demands. Employee engagement. Encouraging feedback and suggestions for improvement from employees enhances morale and builds a collaborative work environment. Around the factory and office notice boards, you will see the continuous improvement idea posters. If you have an idea which could benefit health and safety, operations, quality, or the environment, we encourage you to simply scan the QR code on the poster, fill in the online form, and submit. This will be sent to the continuous improvement team, who will look into the idea and provide. Your commitment to quality is crucial in exceeding our customers' expectations and fostering a culture of excellence in the business. Thank you for participating in this quality awareness training. If you have any questions or you would like more information, please contact Nathan Hall at the email address shown.